When saving a SOLIDWORKS file as an STL file, so you can 3D print from it, there's a couple of little things just to note, just to prepare the model properly. When you go into your file here and go to Save As, you can just select your STL file here from your menu. So STL is just a kind of a standard solid file. It doesn't keep any of the features or anything like that. So it's just an actual 3D object. But just when you're doing it, if you can just make sure on your own setting in the options area here, if you just click the options, it brings up a lot of the STL options. Just in your general area here like that, in your system options, make sure you have the resolution set and fine. Like so, you can see coarse would be basically kind of cutting the corners, and the model that you're going to get out the far side from your 3D printer is going to be a lot kind of flatter edges on it. So make sure you hit fine like so. And the other thing then is just to make sure you save the unit here as millimeters, depending on if you have your SolidWorks set up for millimeters at the start or not. Some people will have that as maybe inches. So make sure you have it set as millimeters. If it's not set as millimeters, it's going to cause issues then when it comes to scaling it within the likes of Cura. So that's pretty much it. Just usually once you've it done once, it's going to stay on your system, and that's you don't have to think about it again. But just if you don't have that set up, it can cause issues. So I click OK, and then all you have to do is just hit save. And that's it. You can see it breaks it up into a series of triangles. Because we hit fine, the triangles here are going to be much smaller, giving you a much more accurate version of the object. So I'm just going to say no, but that's just a quick one on how to prepare a SOLIDWORKS model for 3D printing.